My name's Damon Steele. I'm owner of DS Steele Heating Engineers and I'm a Vaillant Master Tech installer. The VRC700 is personally my favourite controller. It's fully modulating, wireless, weather compensated programmable room start. It's for more advanced systems, larger systems, where you need a few more options to be able to run that system efficiently. The 700F straight out of the box is a single zone with hot water. You can also do your hot water recirculation. The 700F is also compatible up to 3 extra zones, so you can do 3 central heating zones, 1 hot water and your hot water recirculation. The 700 hardwired, you can do up to 9 zones with hot water and hot water recirculation as well. The 700 has 7-day, 5-day, 2-day and individual scheduling. What this means is the 5-day, 2-day you can do 5 days of the week at one time, 2 days at the weekend at a different time. 7 days is 7 days all at the same time. Individual, you can have a different time and temperature every day of the week. The 700 control system also meets Boiler Plus regulations by being fully modulating and weather compensating. Adding the 700 to any of the Vaillant range is going to increase your efficiency of your boiler. You're also going to increase its lifespan.